Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick and today I'm going to be showing you how to put videos side by side in DaVinci Resolve 18. So let's get started. For example, I have three videos. The first one is our background, and these two videos I want to put side by side. So how to do it? First of all, you need to move your first clip to the second track. Just drag it and drop to the video 2 track. And do the same thing with your third clip, but move it to the third track. Okay, now select the highest clip and go to the inspector window at the top right, and here change zoom for this clip. Just make it lower like this, and after that just change the position for this clip. Or you can click on this button and just move it to the right or to the left. And make the same thing with your second clip. Select it, go to the inspector window, make it lower, change position. And this is the result. So it was a short tutorial about how to put videos side by side in DaVinci Resolve. Hope my video was helpful for you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye.